Good morning, everyone. I hope you're all doing amazing. This is David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere, coming at you from beautiful Muscat, Oman, my 86th country. Yes, I arrived last night and I'm super excited to explore for the next 10 days. But before we start eating and seeing lots of amazing sights, we're going for a Pakistani haircut. If you guys don't know about Oman, lots of Persians, Indians, and Pakistani community here, and we're going for a Pakistani haircut. So full head shave, beard, and massage. And my boy Ahmed.
Oh, pleasure to meet you.
How you doing?
Oh, great. How are you?
Very good. So what are we doing?
I will do just normal Pakistani haircut here with this barber shop.
Gulf Youth Barber Shop. And my boy over here is Ahmed.
Hi.
How's everything?
Good.
And you're from Punjab?
Yes, Punjab.
So Lahore?
Lahore.
Lahore, 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 Lahore. So it's a small barber shop. There's what, 4 spots right here, right? And only one barber at the moment? Perfect, let's do it, let's do it.
No problem.
I'm ready.
Yeah.
And you know, I wanted to leave my beard for this trip, but you know, we'll shave it and let it grow again. Pakistani haircut in Oman.
Yes, Pakistan.
Do the works, man. Maybe fall asleep.
No problem.
You know, I'm a bit jet lagged. Arrived last night after almost 24 hours, man. 24 hours.
That's a lot.
I know. It is a lot. So I want a full shave, everything shaved. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's easier, you know. I get the full shave, and then I don't have to worry about it for like 10 days. No, but I shave my head every day, almost every day.
Almost every day.
Yeah, because I like that clean look, you know? Like clean, bald look.
Yeah, you feel smooth and
I feel
cool air past your
exactly. Oh yeah, look at this. Oh, bro, so good. What do you think? Like The Rock or Jason Statham? Oh, perfect. And what's amazing is next door they have a masala tea shop, right? So karak chai. So karak chai is basically masala tea, but from the UAE, right? Karak, that's more that style.
Yeah.
Love that feeling. It's not that bad, right? I actually let it grow for like 5 days for this one haircut. I usually shave every day, but I let it grow 5 days.
You go Pakistan?
Yeah, I went to Pakistan.
Karachi?
Karachi, Peshawar, Islamabad, Mardan, Gurjanwala. I had some amazing street food in Gurjanwala.
Yeah.
Oh, the nihari.
Yeah.
Oh, nihari in Karachi, the best. I had some good galgappa in Lahore.
Yes.
Good galgappa.
It's coming coffee.
Oh, it's a coffee.
Yes.
Karak right there.
Correct.
Amazing. Saffron chai.
Saffron chai.
All right, I guess I'll just jump on this. Ooh, that's hot. Oh, the saffron.
You like it?
Yep.
Mmm, so tasty, milky.
Yes.
Oh, it's too hot though. Let me just leave it over here for a sec, my friend.
No problem.
Oh,
Video?
Video.
he's getting some TikTok. I'm on TikTok as well.
I'm not famous. Yes.
Oh, what a shave.
No problem.
Clean,
Yeah.
super clean. How's it good? Super clean. You know, it's funny, I literally fall asleep every time I get a haircut now. It's like the most relaxing, you know?
Yeah, it's indeed, especially with the tea there. Man, I can't resist massage.
Oh, the massage?
Yeah.
So quick, huh? Takes 2 minutes to shave my head. Time management, right?
Time.
Go
Good.
bald,
Good
go
time.
fast. I need your hat, man. Today at the market, I'm getting the hat. What's the name of the hat?
Kumba.
Kumba.
Yeah, this one.
Kumba.
Kumba.
It's beautiful.
Omani Kumba, yeah.
Just Oman, right? No one else has this style.
No, in Arabian Gulf, no. But you can find similarities in some place in Africa.
You think the chai's
No problem.
cooler now? Oh man, it's so hot. Yeah, man. Great that you guys put the saffron on top. Beautiful. All right, clean. Mmm, so good, man. The karak. Oh, it feels like I'm in India. So good.
It is, I think sometimes they put more sugar on it.
Yeah.
How's the sugar?
Of course, they always put a lot of sugar, but the masala with the saffron, perfect.
It's a nice piece.
Yes.
Oh man, so good. He has to use the machine to cool, to like lower it, right? Because if not, he can't go in with the razor. Yeah, it's always harder with the razor like this long. Funny, huh? I look like two different people.
This is Punjabi mooch.
Punjabi mooch.
Mooch. Arabic shana. Nado? Yes.
Crazy, huh? How much I changed?
Yes.
Different person.
Yeah.
Wow. Feeling good.
You will look younger 5 years after that.
5 years younger, right?
Yeah.
I'd rather look young, you know? Oh yeah.
بعدين خلاص سوي شوية مساج.
ما مشكلة.
مش على الراس.
ما مشكلة.
Wow. It's good. Nice and clean. Got some rosacea here. Breaking out a little bit. Got some cream for this, you know?
Yeah.
This is from the sun.
Wow.
Yeah, right? Yeah, too much sun my whole life, you know? Born and raised in Miami, so much sun.
Oh, I live in Miami.
Yeah, man, born and raised. That's where I have my 2 girls, Miami.
Yeah. Going most likely from America to these places, or you are having some other stations to stay, like for example.
No, I always come from Miami. I have my 2 kids there, so I'm always there, you know? I'm a dedicated father. Some people are not dedicated to their kids. I am. 100%, man. 100%. Inshallah, everything goes good, man. Inshallah, inshallah. All right, let's do this. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Nice. Nothing like that feeling. You know, I have friends who have no beards. They have like no hair. Man, it's great to have the beard, you know, because then when you shave, oh, it feels so good.
Yeah. But also without beard, it will be more relaxing, you know.
Oh, you could do laser.
I used to shave like twice per week. Now after I did some couple of sessions for laser, I'm doing it like 2 times per month.
No way. No way. You did laser?
I did laser, yeah. But here and here, not on my beard. Yeah.
I'm gonna do that. I think I'm gonna do that.
After that, you will be just a very good and clean skin. So how old is your eldest daughter?
My eldest daughter just turned 6.
Oh, 6, mashallah.
And the next one, the second one turns 4 in May.
Nice. So this time they are very attached to their father.
Oh, they are touched.
They are saying all his daughters are attached to their father more than their mother.
No, you don't know. When I get home, all they want to do is be with me. That's all they want.
That's so sweet.
Every day, every morning, every night. You know, I dedicate every morning, every night to my kids.
This is my friend, Zahid.
That's your friend. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.
You good?
Yeah.
Wow. So I'm bleeding.
हंस सी है ना ऐसे ना खुश्की है
Yeah, it's okay. I always bleed, man.
So bleeding is just a part of the Pakistani haircut.
It's okay. No, it feels great. It feels great. Wow. Need some more of that chai. What an amazing chai, man.
You like it, huh?
With the saffron. Lots of hair, huh? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Good, nice. And obviously we haven't talked about it, but if you guys don't know, this is like the gem of the peninsula, the Arabian Peninsula. This is where like all the spices came through for thousands of years, right?
Correct?
I'm correct.
No, that's correct.
Mm-hmm. Nice. So you guys were ruled by Portuguese, then Ottomans for a second, Persians invaded, and then eventually you made a treaty with Great Britain, and then in 1970 you became independent, right?
Yeah.
1970.
1970.
And same sheikh, right? Sheikh.
Sultan.
Sultan.
Yeah.
But the same guy is still in power, right?
Yeah, same guy, but the previous one, he just passed away
Okay.
years ago, and now the other one,
His son, right?
he's cousin.
His cousin. Okay, okay, got it.
His cousin.
هذا غافر كيف؟
أنا أنت بص.
كيف
So yeah, okay.
Ooh. Ooh, what is that? Oh yeah. You say that?
Yeah, no problem.
Oh yeah. Nothing like it, man. The Pakistanis and the Indians know how to give massages, man.
Yeah. Especially for the head.
Oh yeah, for the head. Oh, just get right in there. Oh. Oh man. This is the best, man. Just running his fingers down my like spine right there, the back. Oh, the skull, you know? Oh. So I'm sure he's gonna crack my neck in like 10 places. Oh, right here, like the temple, right here. Oh. This is why you come get the haircut. A haircut's a haircut anywhere, but this part, it's only unique to one part of the world. Oh. Oh. Relaxation mode. Oh yeah. I love that clicking noise. Oh. That was awesome. Dude, I felt my brain vibrate. Oh, snap. Oh, yeah. Oh.
الاثنين واحد هذا واضح.
Oh, oh, oh. Ah.
كمل.
Oh, give me some love there, bro. In the spine. No, he gets your shoulders, your bicep, your tricep. Oh yeah. Oh man, he's gonna like stretch me out. This feels great. Oh, cracking every finger right now. Just cracking them all. Especially after a long flight, this is like the perfect way to relax. You don't need to go to a massage parlor, man. You come to get a Pakistani haircut, that's it. Oh, yeah, it feels great. And he just makes his way up your whole body, right?
Yeah.
Just like right there. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, dude, the spine.
Okay.
Is that it? I go to sleep here, man.
Yeah.
No problem.
Oh,
Best thing is after this to have a small nap.
yeah, small nap, right?
Good.
Oh man, I'm great. So good, so good.
It's coming to the wash.
Oh, a wash?
Yeah.
He want to make you
A wash?
for
Yeah.
your head
Yeah, let's wash. Let's wash. Why
because
not?
he just used some oil.
Perfect. Ready.
Coming.
Right here?
Yeah.
So cold. Oh, that feels good. Yeah, the best part about this is that you get to clean everything out, all the pores and all the excess, you know, little hairs that are everywhere. Oh man.
Get you ready for the day.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
After this, I'm having some delicious kebabs. Ooh. Oh.
Lahore, Lahore.
Lahore, Lahore. Lahore, Lahore. It's good, right?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
It's cool.
yeah, it's cool. I can rinse my eyeballs with shampoo. Phenomenal. Dude, I feel fresh.
Good.
That's good. I'm falling asleep. Wow. How do I look? Young, right? Young?
5 years younger.
5 years younger. Hey, shukriya, shukriya.
Have fun.
Appreciate
Thank you.
it, appreciate it.
It's just 3 riyals, which means like maybe $10.
$10.
Most like $10, $11, like that.
Okay. Thank you so much, dude. Thank you, appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
Haircut is 1 riyal. Beard cut is 1 riyal. And cleaning is 1 riyal. Actually, it's 1.5, but he just counted as 1 riyal. So he gave us a discount by half a riyal. Yeah.
So right now the current exchange rate is like 0.3 to a $1 US. So 1 real is $3 US. So that was roughly $11, $12, right?
Yeah, not
Yeah,
more than
plus a little tip, so like 15, let's say, right? You ready?
that. Yep. Let's
That's
go.
it?
That's it.
Let's go, let's go. Woo, and that is it. Pakistani haircut in Muscat, Oman. That was quick, took like, 30 minutes. Full shave, little massage. Oh, it was great.
Hope that you like it.
Thank you so much, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video here in Muscat, Oman. My first morning. I'm excited. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to eat. I'm ready to explore. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Subscribe to my channel for more awesome travel content. I'll see you in the next travel food adventure somewhere in Oman. Let's go.